To create a virtual machine in just 2 minutes, first you need to search for Windows features in the Windows search bar. Then click on it. This will open the Windows features dialog. In this dialog, you need to find Windows Sandbox and enable it. Now, it will take some time to apply the changes. It's necessary to restart laptop to apply the changes. I'll restart now and then show you. Now virtual machine is created. To open virtual machine, search Windows Sandbox in Windows search bar, then open it. Now our virtual machine is ready to use. This virtual machine has no connection with your personal data. The internet is already connected to it. And it has separate storage. Right now, it is completely empty, and you can install any software you like on it. You can also use it for software testing or malware testing. You can use all those software that are not secure so that your personal data remains safe. You can also do secure browsing on it by installing any browser. Right now, it only has Internet Explorer. That's all for today. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel.